Welcome back, guys, to Tech Balance, and this is episode 5.0 of the ccna course. And in this 5.0, we're going to learn about how to assign an IP address to a switch, and I'm going to show you how to configure that. And if you're interested in knowing other Cisco configurations, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. There are some videos which will be helpful to you if you watch them. Thank you, guys. So let's start. And we'll start by picking a switch. So let's pick a switch. That's the switch. And a PC. We need a PC. Let's connect them. So by default, the switch is always on whenever you plug it to a power source. It's always on, so its ports are always on. So let's wait for the connection. So let's give the PC an IP address. So here we come, 192.168.0.2.1. 192.168.0.1. Let's now configure the switch. Enable config terminal. So by default, the switch the VLAN 1 access the switch's network interface card. So let's use VLAN 1 instead of creating new VLANs. So interface VLAN 1 IP address. Let's give it an IP address of 192.168.0.2, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now shut down. So let's verify if the IP address of the switch has been set, and we will do that by typing this command on the PC. So typing this command on the switch. So exit. The command is interface show interface VLAN 1. And as you can see, the address is over here. It's already reflecting this address here, so meaning the IP address for the port has been set successfully. We can also verify same thing by pinging the switch from the PC. So let's ping the switch from the PC. So ping 192.168.0.2. 2. And it is detected. So the IP address for the port was successfully set, and that is how it's done. Remember, if you want to have some switch management, if you want to have some network management, you cannot do that when the switch has no IP address. If you want to use some protocols such as SNMP, you cannot do that without the switch having IP address. That's why it's important to learn it. And that is how it's done, guys. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for your time. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Catch you on the next one.